Well, gonna give these a whirl. Can't get these where we are, but we went to Duluth. I had heard about them. Steakums. Gonna try making Philly cheesesteak. That's what they look like. They're frozen, paper thin. Got provolone cheese because apparently that's what you use for a Philly cheesesteak. Some grated mozzarella. Some sliced green pepper. And right now, just caramelizing some onions. But yeah, Steakums. 6 slices. These were $3, I think it was. And figured that was a good price until I seen how thin they are. 6 slices like that in each box. I could probably eat 2 boxes of them. See? From the States too. Grain belt. Gonna be an American day here in Canada. Horrid looking things. See how they cook down. Paper thin. They're gonna fall apart, guaranteed. 6 steaks. Yeah, well, guess what? This guy could eat like 20 of your so-called steaks. So this is about all we need for this Philly cheesesteak. Buns. Nice and soft from a local bakery. Provolone cheese. And if you've never smelled provolone cheese, have you ever worn the same shoes when you're out camping and the same socks and wore them for like 6 days? You know that smell? Right there, baby. Provolone cheese. Some mozzarella, just to put on the top. Caramelized onion. Green pepper. Okay, so you can see we've taken the stinky, dirty sock smelling provolone cheese, lined the bun with them. And then we're gonna go and cook the Steakums. Try that out. Heat them up. You're supposed to fry them a bit just to bring them to life. And we'll load them up. We got a frying pan. Put a little bit of canola oil. Not sure if you have to, but we did. Try and get these apart. Never seen anything like this. We just don't have this at our place. Nowhere where I live. Not sure if it's popular in the States or not, but paper or not, who cares? Probably just as healthy. Slam her in there. Could be meat.
Want them all in there?
Yeah, throw everything in there. If nothing else, the crows will eat it.
It's too stuck together.
I don't think it even matters. Because I'm sure these are going to fall apart.
They're falling apart already.
Good Lord. No wonder they were on sale. It's going to be ground beef by the time we're done.
So,
In the package, they call them steaks. Never ordered a steak like that from a restaurant. So, as suspected, they've all fell apart and broke, which don't really matter because they're going in, getting stuffed in a bun. But it don't take long to cook. Probably eat these raw. Maybe it's better to eat them raw.
oh, thank you.
I don't know if you gotta season them. I'm sure they're pre-seasoned. And we build. Put the Steakum meat-like substance in the bun.
You're not thankful for more.
Sure, that's good. Some caramelized onion. Green pepper. Mozzarella cheese. And we'll slam them in the broiler till everything melts. And then that's them out of the broiler. Philly cheesesteak using Steakums. One thing I noticed, and I would change, is that the meat is not seasoned. I thought it was. I would have added some salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, but still gonna be good. Sometimes you don't need all that salt. Oh, who am I kidding? Of course you do. Anyway, hope you liked that one, and you never tried Steakums. I don't know, I could take it or leave it. But that's Steakums from Duluth, Minnesota.